Is your busy schedule preventing you from starting your dream of learning the violin? The truth is, you can actually get really good by only practicing 10 minutes a day. Even after 8 years of violin playing and making it to the orchestra of my dreams, I myself continue to use this system on those days where I just don't have time. So in this video, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how to practice in only 10 minutes so that you can finally sound like the violinist you've always wanted to be. The first minute of the practice routine is gonna be tuning. I use the app called Sound Corset, but you can use whatever app you want. The next 60 seconds, I would practice a scale. Scales are an absolute must unless you want crappy intonation. So while playing your scale, use your fingers and try to align it with the note. You want to try to get into that green zone and specifically that center dash. If you're a complete beginner, I would recommend the 1 octave D major scale, which is open D, which is the string second to the left, first finger, high 2, third finger, which should be touching the second finger, open A, which is the string right next to it, then first finger, high 2, and then third finger. And it's the same while coming back down. This next minute is when we play through the entire song. This gives us a starting point so you know how good you are at the beginning of the practice session. Now that you've played through the song, you know exactly where you're messing up. That's what we're gonna focus on for the rest of the session. Here's what makes this practice routine dangerously effective. Everyone learning violin just plays violin, but you are practicing. Playing just means going through the music over and over again. But playing doesn't target the sections which you struggle with. Playing doesn't improve skill, practice does. We target the section which we struggle with hyper focus. We're not just mindlessly playing like everyone else, we're actually improving our skill. 10 minutes of practice is better than 100 minutes of playing. And that's the power of this practice routine. So there are 3 levels of practice, with each level getting harder. Number 1, playing the section X times. Number 2, playing the section X times correctly. And number 3, playing the section X times correctly in a row. The first one just means you play through a section 5 times, for example. The second one means that you play it until you get it correctly for 5 times. Now the last one would be playing it X times correctly in a row, meaning if you mess up on the second to last rep, you have to restart all the way from the beginning. I do level 3, but you can choose the level based on how long you've had the music. Now we're gonna get the metronome and deliberately put it at a slower tempo. Using one of the 3 levels of practice for the section, start at a slow tempo, finish a round, and then gradually increase the tempo. Now that you've done this for all the sections, you should probably have like 2 minutes left on the clock. We're gonna play through the entire song like we did before, and now we're gonna see the growth from before and after. Once you're done with that, close your eyes and express your gratitude. I'm grateful for my violin. I'm grateful for this opportunity to express sound, to create this beautiful music. Gratitude is what's gonna keep you going in the long run. When the violin seems difficult, or when your own mind works against you saying, it's too hard, I can't do this. For me, I'm grateful for the opportunity to teach everyone who's watching right now. If you want to work with me personally, top link in the description. I'd love to help you out. Once you're done with that, click and watch this video here to learn the top 3 reasons why you still sound scratchy on violin.